A very good morning to everyone. Hope you all are doing well. In our previous class, we have learnt about the concept of time. Today, we will be doing months of the year. Let's start. Now, children, we are doing months of the year. Do you know how many months are there in a year? Yes, there are 12 months in a year, and January is the first month, and December is the last month. Okay? Now, put the months of the year in order. January is the first month. Next month is February. 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 Third month is March. March. Fourth month April. April. Fifth month is May. May. Sixth month is June. June. Seventh month July. July. Eighth month is August. 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 Eighth month is June 6th, 7th, 8th. Ninth month is September. September. 10th month October. October. 11th month is November. November. And the last month, 12th month is December. Right? So please learn the spellings very perfectly. The number of days in a month can be remembered using this rhyme. So you can remember this, learn this rhyme also. 30 days have September. See children, in every month we have 30 and 31 days. Some months having 30 days and some months are having 31 days. And February is the shortest month. It has 28 days and 29 days are there in a leap year. And leap year, what do you know about leap year? Every fourth year. In every fourth year is a leap year. So okay, in a leap year, February is having 1 day extra, 1 day more. That is 29 days. Understood? So let us count how many days are there in a month, in every month. We will do that later. So by this rhyme you can remember 30 days have September, April, June and November. So September, April, June and November having 30 days. Understood? February has 28 alone and all the rest have 31. Which means September, April, June and November. Here you can see September, April, June and November. These months, only 4 months having 30 days. And other months left, the remaining months, that is January, March, February is the shortest month, that is 28 days it has. So January, March, May, July, August, October and December are having 31 days. Okay? But leap year coming once in 4, February then has 1 day more. So as I said, in a leap year, February will have 29 days. In other 3 years, February has 28 days. Okay? So how many days are there in a year? There are 365 days in a year. And every fourth year is a leap year. Remember this, every fourth year is a leap year. Our leap year has 366 days because 1 day is extra in the month of February. To remember days, you can see the knuckles here, okay? You can count the months. So this is January, February, March, April, May, June, July. Again start from here, August, September, October, November, December. Okay, you can see here on the knuckles, this is 31 days. January, February here, March, April, May, June, July on knuckle, and again the 2 months continuously 31 days. August, September, October, November, and December. Okay, you can just do it and remember like this, the how many days are there in every month. This is a calendar, and calendar is very, very important. What does it shows? A calendar shows all the dates and days of a year. It also shows the months, weeks in the year. So here, January is having 31 days. Look at the last day. Okay? February is having 28 days. This is not a leap year. March is having 31 days. April is having 30 days. May is having 31 days here. June is having 30 days. July is having 31 days. August is also having 31 days. September is having 30 days. October is having 31 days. November is having 30 days. December is having 31 days. So here you have to write how many months have 31 days. So we have just seen here. Let us count 1, 2, here 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. So 7 months having 31 days. How many months have 30 days? 30 days months. Here it is from April 1, 2, here 3, and 4. 4 months are there having 30 days. Which month has least number of days? You know that February is having least number of days. So you can write the name of the month here, February, February. Now here, match the following. Gandhi Jayanti. Gandhi Jayanti falls on 2nd October. You can match it with October. Christmas. When do we have Christmas? It is in the month of December. Republic Day in the month of January. Do you remember the date? 26th January, right? Independence Day, August, that is 15th August. And Teachers' Day, right, 5th September. Okay. So please learn the spellings of all the months very, very perfectly. Okay? Thank you. We will meet in our next class.